Hey, breadstick lovers! Ready to make some magic in the kitchen? Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab a loaf of ready-made French bread and cut it into stick-sized pieces. Easy, right? Next, melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a bowl. Add in 2 minced garlic cloves, a teaspoon of dried parsley, and a pinch of salt. Mix it all together. Brush each breadstick with your garlic butter mixture. Make sure they're all coated nicely. Place your breadsticks on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Pop them into the oven for about 10 minutes or until they're golden and crispy. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing. Once they're done, let them cool slightly before serving. And there you have it, delicious garlic breadsticks in minutes. If you loved this quick recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Cast Iron Stovetop for more tasty tips and tricks. Happy cooking!